Welcome to Lumy channel. Like and subscribe. Skill 5. A past participles can be either an adjective or part of a verb. The past participle is the form of the verb that appears with have or be. It often ends with the ed, but there are also many irregular past participles in English. Emily has purchased a television. Has purchased is verb. Poem was written by Puel. Was written is verb. In the first sentence the past participle purchased is part of the verb because it is accompanied by has. In the second sentence the past participle written is part of the verb because it is accompanied by was. A past participle is an adjective when it is not accompanied by some form of be or have. The television purchased yesterday was expensive. Purchased is adjective. The poem written by Paul appeared in the magazine. Written is adjective. In the first sentence purchased is an adjective rather than a verb because it is not accompanied by a form of be or have, and there is a verb, appeared, later in the sentence. In the second sentence written is an adjective rather than a verb because it is not accompanied by a form of be or have, and there is a verb, appeared, later in the sentence. The following example shows how a past participle can be confused with the verb. Example. The packages, mailed at the post office will arrive Monday. A. Have. B. Were. C. Them. D. Just. In this example, if you look only at the first few words of the sentence, it appears that packages is the subject and mailed is either a complete verb or a past participle that needs a helping verb. But if you look further in the sentence, you will see that the verb is will arrive. You will then recognize that mailed is a participle adjective and is therefore not a part of the verb. Answer: A and B are incorrect because mailed is an adjective and does not need a helping verb such as have or were. Answer: C is incorrect because there is no need for the object them. Answer: D is the best answer for this question. Past participles. A past participle often ends in ed, but there are also many irregular past participles. For many verbs, including ed verbs, the simple past and past participle are the same and can be easily confused. The ed form of the verb can be 1. The simple past, 2. The past participle of the verb, or 3. An adjective. 1. She painted this picture. 2. She has painted this picture. 3. The picture painted by Karen is now in a museum. Exercise. Indicate if the sentences are correct or incorrect. 1. The money was offered by the client was not accepted. Incorrect. Double verbs offered and was not accepted. 2. The car listed in the advertisement has already stalled. Correct. 3. The chapters were taught by the professor this morning will be on next week's exam. Incorrect. Double verb were taught and will be. 4. The loaves of the bread were baked in a brick oven at a low temperature for many hours. Correct. 5. The ports were reached by the sailors were under the control of a foreign nation. Incorrect. Double verbs were reached and were. 6. Those suspected in the string of robberies were arrested by the police. Correct. 7. The pizza is served in this restaurant is the tastiest in the country. Incorrect. Double verbs is served and is. 8. The courses are listed on the second page of the brochure have several prerequisites. Incorrect. Double verbs are listed and have. 9. All the tenants were invited to the Independence Day barbecue at the apartment complex. Correct. 10. Any bills paid by the first of the month will be credited to your account by the next day. Correct. Thanks for watching Lumy channel. Like and subscribe.